decorum for today's class. We're going to get started right away to look at the compound interest or simple interest. So let me give you one question each now. The first question is for Isaiah here. Now, question 1, still on compound interest or simple interest? Let's put it as simple and compound interest. So simple and compound interest. This here. So here's the first question. Question 1 asks what? Okay. Yeah. At what rate must I invest 8,000 naira? 8,000. Somebody is making noise. Try to mute yourself, both of you, and when I need you to talk, you unmute yourself and ensure there is no noise before you start talking. So 8,000. At what rate must I invest 8,000 to yield a simple interest of 1,000 naira in a year? So that is the question for Isaiah here. Isaiah, you can unmute yourself and talk. If you are muted, you can unmute yourself and talk. Tell me, what am I to write down? Just tell me, how am I to solve this? Yes, Isaiah. Isaiah, I'm waiting. Yes, okay. So what am I to write down? What's the next step now? At what rate must I invest 8,000 to yield a simple interest of 1,000 a year? So what am I supposed to write down? Okay, SI, which is simple interest, equals to what? Oh, no. I thought you were about to write, okay, yes, okay. SI, simple interest, is 1,000. So what next? Okay, rate. No, the rate is not known. That is what you are looking for. At what rate? At what rate must I invest 8,000 to yield a simple interest of 1,000 in a year? So in that, we're looking for rate. Can you tell me the formula connecting the simple interest I and the rate R? Yes, what is the formula? You don't know, right? Talk, please. You don't know? Okay, so we used it the other time. That is simple interest I equal to principal times rate times time divided by 100. That is PRT over 100. Oh, that is, I said principal times rate times time, right?
Yes, sir.
So if that is PRT over 100, then what are we looking for? Yes, I'm waiting.
Sir.
What are we looking for? This is the formula. So what are we looking for? Are we looking for interest?
Rate.
Yes, we are looking for rate. So that means we're not looking for interest. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Are we looking for principal?
Yes, sir.
Are we looking for time?
Yes, sir.
That means we have been given the 3. So what is the interest we were given?
The interest is 1,000.
Yes, that is correct. What is the principal we were given? Because you said we're not looking for principal. So what is the principal we were given?
8,000.
8,000, that is correct. And you also said we're not looking for time.
Time.
So what is the time we were given?
1 year.
That is 1. So now, if we slot in those values, that means we have 1,000 equal to principal is what? Principal is 8,000. So 1,000 equal to 8,000 times rate that you are looking for R, then times time, which is 1 year, all over 100. So here now, I can divide these 2 zeros with these 2 zeros. And I have 80R equal to 1,000. 80R equal to 1,000. Then I can divide both sides by 80. You getting that?
Excuse me, sir. What about this one?
When you multiply anything by 1, what happens to this? Does it change the value?
No.
So it's irrelevant there. So now you can divide this by this. Then you divide 100 by 8. That is, how many 4 is in 8? That's 2. How many 4 is in 100? That's 25. That's 25 over 2. And that is 12.5% or 12.5%. Do you get that now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, both of you should put this down while I write the question that is for in your lap. You can mute yourself. When I need you to talk, you're mute. I'm still hearing some sound. So, I write the next question. I said, you should mute yourself, both of you, so that you are mute. Hello, did you put the phones on silent? So, number 2, question 2 there. After how many years will 25,000 naira, 4,000 naira yield a simple interest of 4,000 naira at 8% per annum. So, this is the question for Eniola now. Let Eniola unmute herself and try to tell me what are the things I'm to put down in an attempt to solve this particular question. Yes. I'm waiting. Okay, interest.
Not true.
Somebody talking underneath or what? So you said, okay.
Interest
Yes.
equals to principal times rate times time.
Okay. Well, what?
About 100.
Okay, yes. What's the next thing?
24,000.
Okay, 4,000. That's the interest. 4,000. Equal to what?
Equals to 4,000
24,000. Times what?
times 8
Times 8.
times T.
Times T, yes.
Over 100.
Over 100. Okay. Okay, maybe the question, because this might not even be years, but let me just say for how long. But let's continue. So, what next? Let me say. Wait a minute. Let me say for how long for this. I want to change this part to for how long. For how long will this that? Okay. Yes, we can continue now. So what next?
Then you divide it. You
Okay.
divide it out.
Divide what with what?
100. 100.
2 zeros removed. Yeah. Then what next? You have 240 times 8.
Times 8.
Okay. 4,000 equal to 240 times 8 times T. So then you can divide both sides by 240 times 8. 240 8. Then this cancel out, is remaining only T. So I have T. Yes, I have T equal to 4,000 over what? 240 times 8. So I can start cutting 0, remove 0.
240 times 8.
Yes, 0, remove 0. So I can say, how many 8 is here? It's 1. How many 8 in 400? It's 50. So I can say I have 50 divided by 24. Divided by 24. And that I can cut down with 2.
50.
25 over what? 12. So I can now say, how many 25 is here? It's 2. How many 12 is in 25? That is 2. Remainder 1 over 12. So if this is in years now, so how do you make these to be in years and months? Yes. How do you make these to be in years and months?
2 years.
2 years, yes, that is, 2 years.
Yes.
How many months?
Then
Yeah.
You actually have to turn the numbers to decimal point.
I need months. Months. This is 1/12. What is 1/12 of a year? That is 1 month.
1 month.
Out of 12 months, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is correct. So both of you can put it down while I write a third question. Then the two of you will have to look at it together, or probably I will ask the two of you to solve it, give you a few seconds or minutes to solve it. Then you present your answer and I'm going to tell you whether you are right or wrong. So put this down while I write the next question. So just let me know when you are done writing this. Now, are you through now? You through putting down the details?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me put up the last question that we're going to look at. Clear the screen there. Okay. Question 3. If you deposit 40,000 naira, you deposit 40,000 naira in an account that pays in an account that pays 2.92%. Semi-annually. Semi-annually. What will be the balance after 5 years? What will be the balance after 5 years? How much did the amount earn in interest? How much did the amount earn in interest? Yes. What do you think I'm gonna do, both of you? Or are you gonna solve it and tell me? So let me give you just 3 minutes to solve. Then you tell me your answer to the 2 questions. Question 1 says, what will be the balance after 5 years? And question 2 says, how much did the interest earn? How much did the amount earn in interest? So, unmute yourself and respond. Are you solving now? Yes, are you solving it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, but before you start solving, what kind of interest is it? Is this simple interest or compound interest? Yes, is this simple interest or compound interest? I'm hearing underground talks. Is it simple interest or compound interest? So it's actually compound interest. So go ahead and use the formula for compound interest. And the formula is amount equal to, I'm still hearing background noise. The formula is amount equal to P, which is the principal, into 1 plus R over N, close your bracket, raised to power N times T. So,
Please, can
sir? No, the formula is in your notes. Yeah, the formula is in your notes. Go ahead. That was what we used 2 days ago. So I'm hearing the background noise. Mute yourself and keep solving while I keep trying to put it up here for you. So A equal to P into R of N. Now A equal to E. 1 plus R over N power and T, and the amount we are looking for now, the principal, which is 40,000, into 1 plus the rate is 2.92%. 2.92, but your 2.92% should be divided by 100, so that is 2.92% divided by 100. That's going to give you 0.0292. So this is 0.0290, 0.0292, and it is bi-monthly, so that it's by annually. That semi-annually means twice a year, so that is over 2, then 2 times 5 years. So this is going to be the 40,000 into 1 plus 0.146. 40,000 1 plus that's 0.092 to divide 0.0146 and 0.146, then raised to power 10. So if you had this in brackets and multiply, you raise it to power 10, and you multiply by 40,000, you're going to have 4623.90. Oh, sorry, there's an error there. There's an error in that question here. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is 4,000. So let me use 4,000, not 40,000. So I'm going to clean up 1 zeros. One of 0, that is 4,000. So if you have these, all things being equal, your final answer now is going to be 4,623.90. 4,623.90. So 4,623.90. So that is the amount you will get. That is the amount. And after getting the amount, the next question is, you can mute yourself because of the sound. Just mute yourself. So the next question says, how much in interest? So if you started with 4,000 and it came with 4,623.90, so that means the compound interest is 623.90 naira. That's 623 naira 90 kobo. So that is that. That there. So is that here now? Eniola is up there. Eniola is out of the show. So I think that's network there. So, Isaiah, you're mute now. So is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's where we're going to be rounding up today. Today is Thursday, right? So today is Wednesday, so we're still English tomorrow. So by next week, we prepare for questions in all the topics we've been doing throughout the summer, okay? Alright, so tomorrow next week is summer. By the last week we're going to do some tests. So you have to really study through everything. Is that taken?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so thank you very much. You have a nice time ahead. Goodbye.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, goodbye. Goodbye.
Bye.
See you. Yeah.